Okay, let's talk about satellites. Satellites, the orbiters of every planet. So, SOHO, ULSAS, and Parker Solar Probe are orbiting the sun. The Parker is even closer than the closest satellite to the Earth, but it is not launched. It will be in 2020, while Mars 2020 is launched by America. It is 1 year after 2020, then it is 2021 launching time. I need year. Okay. Next, here is Mercury. Mercury has two satellites. They both crashed on Mercury. One is known as the Messenger and the another one called Marina Chain. Venus, the hottest planet, not enough to melt lead, trapping heat into its atmosphere, being hotter than the planet Mercury, while it is further from the sun than Mercury. But I'm going to tell you three, known as Venus Express, Marina 9 and Pioneer 11. They both do colorful images of Venus by radar, also known as radio waves. Okay, now let's go to Earth. Eyesight. A disco ball, it looks like a disco ball in space, but it is a ball where little space is there, while telescopes can see with that stars. Okay, the telescopes are the correct if one star known as the brightest star Sirius, they can look with the telescope. Here, that bright, you see, it is looking like the sun. Why? Other stars are dimmer than the sun when we see, but they're actually hotter than the sun and colder than the sun. How? They are farther looking, so they look small. But some of them are bigger than our sun. Fascinating? So, let's go to Earth's satellite. Or Earth telescopes. First, there's an observatory in space known as Gaia, but it is not a telescope. It is orbiting Earth, but there are three main telescopes known as HST or Hubble Space Telescope, SST, Spitzer Space Telescope. Next, HCX or T or Himalayan Chandra X-ray Telescope, having a big name. I have to think a lot, but Chandra X-ray observatories pick X-rays from a black hole or a X-ray giving star. Next is Hubble Space Telescope, which is the most famous telescope launched by NASA. NASA is only giving telescopes to space. but not the others. Himalaya. Next, Spitzer Space Telescope. It is an infrared telescope because it picks infrared. They both used to see the black hole at the center of Milky Way are known as Sagittarius A. That looks like a golden solar nebula bar. It is known as Sagittarius B. Sagittarius A, like it is eating a nebula known as that Sagittarius B, but stars colliding together by gravity and they spin faster, so it looks like a bar. Okay, now here is Sagittarius A. This is now the solar nebula is this size. The stars are like this small, but they look like one. Spiral. They are known as barred spirals, which have spiral arms. Spiral galaxies have barred spiral arms. Elliptical galaxies having no arms. Irregular galaxies having no shapes. Next is Mars. Mars, our red planet or the future home. Did you know Venus is the future planet of Earth? Mars has 3 rovers and 3 satellites. First one is the first sent on Mars is Opportunity and Spirit. After that, in 2011, a satellite launched by NASA have arrived on 2012, known as Curiosity. It has explored the Gale crater, a crater which has 6,563 feet mountain and a big deep crater. While Mars its formation after 3.7 billion years ago, it had life. Also, Venus, Earth, Mars, Ganymede, Callisto, Europa, Titan, Enceladus, Rhea, and the last one, the Moon. There are 10. They totally have atmospheres at that time. The atmosphere having water, food, and air. So they are equal to life. Intelligent or not intelligent than us. Okay.